Oh. Oh. We are trying to get to Bartlesville as our ultimate target at the end of this for now. Storms have already developed in Kansas, and it's cleared out pretty good here, and it's been hot and humid all day, so there should be the ingredients for severe thunderstorms. So hopefully today we'll get to at least, if not see a tornado, at least see some nice thunderstorms. Just waiting for it to roll in. So basically this whole area that I'm watching right in here. Either way, this little feature on radar looks quite suspicious.
Warnings and advisories in effect. The Bartlesville area, including much of far northeast Oklahoma. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Got something. Let's see.
Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rogers
Disappoint.
County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma. Potential rainfall is occurring.
Nice.
And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle on flooded roadways. The tornado warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Damn. Oh, what's that? Looks scuddy, but it's still something. That looks cool, but that's not what I came here for. Whoa, that looks messy. There's a tornado warning near me, but it will not load. My phone's having a seizure. Where? Never thought I'd be in downtown Tulsa chasing tornadoes. There's sirens in downtown. Oh, Jesus. About to watch a tornado warning storm go right over downtown Tulsa. It's actually heading right towards us. Okay, there's a tornado warning coming at us, and we're going 5 miles an hour in downtown. Come on, pull off, please. Oh, Jesus. I see the wall cloud. Okay. How do I get on 244? Okay, we are right in the path of this area rotation. I still do not see it. I saw it for a minute, but I don't see it anymore. There's a scuddy mess off to the north over there. Is that it? That's the wall cloud. No, the wall cloud's over there. Oh, please do not put down a tornado in Tulsa. That would not be good. It's almost green up here. We're getting out of Tulsa, getting out of downtown quickly. Holy shit, that is the greenest skies I've seen in a long time. Shut up. I know. Where's this new warning? Holy hell. It's going right next to downtown. It's gonna be close. Holy mother of God, is this gonna produce a tornado? Right in the middle of Tulsa. Oh my God. Well, that's definitely where it'd be. It's down in the bottom right of your screen. This is definitely where a tornado would form. That's low. Holy hell. Well, I found where the tornado might be. The question is, how stupid am I? And how close do I dare get? Hail. Oh God. Oh, that hail's getting big. Holy hell. Okay, let's see. I think we're eventually just going to have to let it overrun us and call it a day after that, because there's not going to be any way to catch up with it, and I am barely staying ahead of it this whole time. Well, the rainbow was cool for a couple seconds that I could look at it. Alright, let's go. Out of battery. Wow, that's bright. Jesus. Oh, shit. Oh, you can see the rainbow. Cool. Pull in here. You know, honestly, that kind of makes up for the complete lack of tornadoes. That's pretty cool. This is just so cool.